Well, good afternoon again, folks. Welcome to today's last episode of Spilling Tea. I am your host, Tiffany Daniels. And yes, folks, we are going back to the JD versus AH case. This came out as of, yesterday, although it's been circulating around other newsrooms for the last week or so. It's been good news all around, and today's been a fantastic day. But I already knew about this. Folks, we are about to read the article that absolutely justifies Tugs letting us know that the FBI is, in fact, assisting Australia in the dog smuggling case of 2015. Now, major news outlets, even those who have been protecting Miss Nameless one, have had to report on this. And my God, it's about time. Anyways, to read the article, this is from InStars. And as always, folks, you are going to find this video linked right there in the description box. Now, for those of you who wish I would separate my JRC and autism videos and disability rights videos from this case, I'm going to tell you a little something. This is, believe it or not, just as much about disability rights as it is about anything else, because she has continued to get away with destroying the career of someone who has disabilities. She almost killed someone with disabilities. She abused someone with disabilities. And then she went and played the victim. Sorry, not sorry. Moving on. Nameless one under investigation. Johnny Depp's ex-wife suffers legal headache in reopened 2015 case. Okay, I find amusing that they still actually have to mention who she was married to for people to even know who the hell she is. Just saying. This is by Alexandria Reeves. Oh, they always show pictures of her when she's younger. Why no current ones? I wonder. The Nameless one is not having her best days, as well as her previous perjury case has been reopened again. A spokesperson for Australia's Department of Agriculture, Water and the Environment confirmed a new shocking development on Heard's previous case. According to the representative, they are currently investigating again the allegations of perjury when the court proceedings happened for her 2015 illegal importation of her dogs Pistol and Boo into Australia. The case was previously closed. However, the Commonwealth Director of Public Prosecutions disclosed it will consider whether the evidence given to them was enough to file a warrant. If proven guilty, the Aquaman actress could face up to 10-year prison sentence, but at that time, she already pleaded guilty to a less serious charge of fabricating a travel document to bring her dogs into the country. Her lawyer excused that she was jet-lagged and worried about a hand injury her then-husband Johnny Depp sustained while filming Pirates of the Caribbean Dead Men Tell No Tales. You mean the injuries she caused? I'm just saying this all. Just saying. Jet lagged my ass. You greased hands, honey. We have the emails. But moving on. As she believed her assistants already processed it that they needed documents, the actress made the terrible exchange. Instead of giving her more charges, the Australian court let her go with a 1-month, $1,000 good behavior bond a month before filing for divorce from Depp. And she lied. She lied. Oh, and look, eHacker is featured. Nice. However, Dorp's excuse me, allergies. They'll kill you. However, Depp's former estate manager testified against her at that time, and said I'm sorry, Nameless one, I don't get paid for this anyway, asked him to claim that she had no idea it was illegal to bring her dogs into Australia. Bullshit. Bullshit. Complete bullshit. She wanted me to say essentially that it was my fault in one way or another, that the paperwork wasn't completed, so that I could take the blame for her, he said, as quoted by the Associated Press. Oh, good God, what has the idiot said for herself now? Itself? Following the release of the update, the Nameless One's attorney published a statement and called out the Australian Department of Agriculture, Water and Environment's new investigation. Really? 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 It is truly inconceivable, and we are confident it is not true, that either the Australian government or the FBI would embrace a policy of further pursuing and victimizing a person who has already been adjudicated to be the victim of domestic violence, part of the statement said. Elaine, seriously? Seriously, you really think people still buy it after all the evidence? Where are the medical documents, Elaine? Where are the medical documents? You all can put this to bed right now. Show the medical documents. Oh, and by the way, Elaine, having been raised around hospitals my entire life, and also by the fact that when I worked for the state in my capacity as the God, I forget my old title. God, that's horrible. Basically, I was the advocate for my people with disabilities in my region. For in a state capacity, we were all mandated reporters. So had she come into the hospital, as her so-called injuries, as she described them, would have more than merited, and anybody would have seen her, they would have had to immediately report suspicion of abuse. Even if it was just a visiting traveling nurse. Guess what? They are also mandated reported. Where is the paperwork? Just saying. Just saying. Deb's fans even urged the authorities to do something about the Nameless One, as she was publicly seen endangering her pet. Oh, for the love of God, can we stop with this? You're all just fans. You all just believe him. Bitches, I have been a disability rights, neurodiversity rights, and autism rights advocate for over a decade. This is what I do. I fight places like the JRC. I fight laws that protect people who abuse and try to kill us. I am adamantly against even attempted filicide. And what is filicide? Well, let me educate you. Filicide is when a significant other, caretaker, parents, or siblings murder or attempt to murder a person with disabilities. Which, guess what? That's what she tried to do. Just saying. On Twitter, a viral video emerged showing the actress holding her Yorkshire Terrier dog with its head out the window of a speeding vehicle. Critics said she seemed to be focusing too much on recording the clip instead of holding the pet carefully. Alright, so we have them dismissing us as fans again, but who's surprised? Who's surprised? I'm not. I have more people calling me a bot on a regular daily basis than I care to even think about. Or just a fan, or just one in his pants, or he's not going to notice you. All I got to say to that is who gives a shit if he notices me or not? That's not the point. Not even the point. But anyways, sorry, I kind of went off on a rant. Basically, they're trying to dismiss us again, her and her attorney. Who's surprised? Nobody. Nobody's surprised. again dismissing the facts that a good majority of his backers are fellow survivors of DV like himself. Hi, how you doing? People who share a similar neurodiverse disability. Hi, how you doing? And a good majority of the people that I interact with in the actually autistic community, in case you're asking. And we also have people who know bullshit when they see it. We have people who are concerned that our brothers, our fathers, our stepfathers, our uncles, our cousins could possibly have their lives destroyed by an accusation that everybody is supposed to take as fact instead of actually examining the evidence. But that's neither here nor there. The fact of the matter is, folks, Australia is not playing. It has been proved through emails and during the UK court case that she lied. Period. And I'm sorry, Elaine, but your half-assed attempt to excuse her because she's a victim of herself. Let's be honest here. AH is a victim of herself. And on those notes, I'm going to go ahead and close out this afternoon. We don't get very many views on this channel. The few that we do tend to get removed from time to time. So folks, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit subscribe, don't forget to hit the comments. I do appreciate your time this afternoon. Now, Keely Talks, this is Tuesday after all, is going to be going on 4:30 Central Standard Time, 5:30 Eastern Standard Time, and I forget the UK time. I'm sorry, folks. I'm like half brain dead. So, please go over by her channel and catch us over there. I'm going to be over there. Gary's going to be on. She's going to be on. It's always fun, folks. All right? And as always, we here at Spilling Tea hope you have a good one. Bye-bye now.